우와. Go Ashley, go Ashley, go Ashley. What's up YouTube, it's 터프정우. My family and I went on a camping trip to Kentucky Lakes Prize Point, KOA for Ashley's fall break. I took videos while we were camping there, but unfortunately I lost my GoPro SD card, so I don't have all the footage. So sad. Instead, I made this video using some of the photos and clips I captured on my iPhone. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you. Go Ashley, go Ashley, go Ashley. I thought you can finish up to there. I don't care. We went to swimming pool after checking in our campsite. This pool is indoor and outdoor pool, so it doesn't matter the weather change, you still can play in the water. This pool is open from May to November. This was perfect for fall break. So good, so good. More sugar. Ashley finished her hamburger and eating cup ramen, cup noodle. We eat a lot today. Day 2, we woke up around 11 a.m. and we ate breakfast and sitting outside and enjoy the nature. We took pictures while we were walking around the camping ground. Ashley went to swimming pool and played in the playground. Hi. There is my husband. He's kayaking. Day 3, we went to paddleboarding. Ashley and I took pictures with Boo while walking around the camping ground. Selfie with my Boo, big fat Boo, my handsome boy. Night. Day 4, checkout day. We cleaned our campsite and getting ready back to home. And we took family pictures.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe me.
Don't forget the thumbs up.